Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to open the next box in the Star Wars opening series, Star Wars Evolution. I've opened a lot of this and I really like this product. And for people that are trying to get into Star Wars, this is a great starting box because you can get them pretty cheap, and they're actually really nice cards too. And you get cards from the whole series of all the movies. I don't think Rogue One cards are in here, but all the main movies. And I did get my Star Wars Last Jedi tickets on reserve seating. Cannot wait. I'm going to go to the fan event. So that's the opening night. It's actually the night before. It's like the real late night showing. I'm going to try to take some video and show like the ambiance of what the fan event is like, so that'll be really cool. Can't wait for the movie. Star Wars Evolution. Here we go. Alright, I got Padme Amidala, Ahsoka Tano, Han Solo, Chewbacca, Lando Calrissian, C-3PO, Mace Windu, and Kylo Ren's command shuttle. Padme Amidala, Luke Skywalker, Han Solo, Chewbacca, Stormtrooper, Mace Windu, Rey, and X-Wing. Get 2 hits per box in this too, except one of them is a manufactured patch, but the other one is usually pretty good, either auto or sketch. Yeah, my voice is just gone today. Chewbacca, Emperor Palpatine, Princess Leia Organa, Yoda, Darth Vader, Anakin Skywalker, Naboo Senator Palpatine, a blue Yoda. Oh, that's one of those, I don't know if these codes do anything or not. Got Finn, Darth Maul, Boba Fett, Han Solo, Luke Skywalker, Yoda, Anakin Skywalker, and Bib Fortuna Blue. I'm trying to make a set of the blues. We got Yoda, Anakin Skywalker, Chewbacca, Clone Trooper, R2-D2, Bib Fortuna, Darth Maul, and Speeder Bike. Obi-Wan Kenobi, Princess Leia Organa, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Han Solo, Chewbacca, Stormtrooper, Kylo Ren's lightsaber, and Star Destroyer. I still have 1 box of this stuff left too. Mace Windu, FN 2187, Count Dooku, Boba Fett, Supreme Chancellor Palpatine, Luke Skywalker. There's a comics Crimson Empire, and a blue Padme Amidala. Kanan Jarrus, Lando Calrissian, Leia Organa, Luke Skywalker, Yoda, Padme Amidala, Shadows of the Empire, and a blue Darth Maul. Here we got Obi-Wan Kenobi, Padme Amidala, Ahsoka Tano, Han Solo, Chewbacca, Lando Calrissian, purple Padme Amidala, and a Rey Speeder. Purples are not numbered, but you don't get very many of those. Anakin Skywalker, Will Huff Tarkin, C-3PO, R2-D2, Kylo Ren, Kanan Jarrus. There's another purple, Lando Calrissian, and AT-RT. So getting some different colors in this box. We got Princess Leia Organa, Luke Skywalker, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Padme Amidala, Ahsoka Tano, Princess Leia Organa, Lando Calrissian, and a blue Kanan Jarrus. Han Solo. Got one of those sports flicky cards in here. Princess Leia Organa, Yoda, Darth Vader, Anakin Skywalker. Ooh, that one's cool. I don't have that one. The Emperor. Blue Anakin Skywalker. That one's sweet. I don't know if you can see that very good on the camera. It goes from Palpatine to the Supreme Chancellor Palpatine to the Emperor. Very cool. That does not count as a hit either, so that's a nice bonus. That's one of the other reasons I like this set. You get 2 hits, but you also get some nice bonuses sometimes. C-3PO, Mon Mothma, Darth Vader, Padme Amidala, Wilhuff Tarkin, R2-D2, Ezra Bridger's lightsaber, and the Rebellion. Always thought his lightsaber that he designed there looks like a staple gun. But it's pretty cool. It has a blaster and lightsaber. Supreme Chancellor Palpatine, Rey, Jabba the Hutt, Clone Trooper, Wilhuff Tarkin. Ooh, okay, now here's another one of the cool cards. Imperial Shuttle. This is one of the clear acetate cards, Han Solo and Lando Calrissian. I'm pretty sure I have that one already. Looks familiar. There's only 9 in the set, so I'm pretty sure I have that one. Those are really sweet cards. That also does not count as a hit. So we still have 2 hits. Jabba the Hutt, R2-D2, Emperor Palpatine. I'm shaking my camera here. Lando Calrissian, Anakin Skywalker, Han Solo. There's a Darth Vader in the Ghost Prison, and a blue Lando Calrissian. We have Boba Fett, Mon Mothma, Count Dooku, Ahsoka Tano, Padme Amidala, Luke Skywalker, Darth Maul comic, and a blue Chewbacca. Alright, this pack got Obi-Wan Kenobi, Luke Skywalker, Boba Fett, C-3PO, Bib Fortuna, Count Dooku, Kylo Ren, and TIE Fighter. Alright, getting down to the nitty gritty here. Han Solo, Chewbacca, Stormtrooper, Mace Windu, Rey, Chewbacca, Emperor Palpatine, and Luke's Landspeeder. Alright, not that many packs left. Oh, there's our patch card. Okay, so we got a blue Leia Organa, Han Solo, and Princess Leia Organa. Cool patch there. Rebel Alliance patch. Numbered out of 170. Alright, one more hit left. Ooh, I think we might have gotten a sketch. Okay, so we got Princess Leia Organa, Yoda, Darth Vader, Anakin Skywalker, Naboo Senator Palpatine, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and a blue Clone Trooper. I'll turn that around like that. I'm going to set that there for right now. I think that's our second hit. Princess Leia Organa, Yoda, Darth Vader, Anakin Skywalker, Supreme Chancellor Palpatine, Rey, Jabba the Hutt, and AT-AT. Alright, 3 packs left. Princess Leia Organa, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Han Solo, Chewbacca, Stormtrooper, Mace Windu, Asajj Ventress lightsaber, and Millennium Falcon. FN 2187, Count Dooku, Boba Fett, Supreme Chancellor Palpatine, Luke Skywalker, Obi-Wan Kenobi. There's a cool Star Wars comics, and blue R2-D2. And last pack. Clone Trooper, Wilhuff Tarkin, Boba Fett, Mon Mothma, Count Dooku, Ahsoka Tano, Knights of the Old Republic comic, and Luke Skywalker blue. Alright, so let's see what we have here. First, let's look at the back. Star Wars Evolution. Congratulations. You have discovered a Star Wars sketch card featuring art from the Star Wars saga, featuring art by Scott Jones. I don't recognize the name. Let's see what Scott drew here. Boba Fett. Ooh, that's sweet. Boba Fett standing in front of Han Solo and Carbonite. So that is either Empire Strikes Back or Return of the Jedi. Man, that's nice. Very detailed. Even down to the patch on his sleeve there. That one's nice. That's one of the nicest sketch cards I've gotten. I mean, some of them you see, you can't even tell who they are. This is definitely identifiable and great rendition of Boba Fett and Han Solo there. So that is awesome. Very happy. And also we got a patch, the flag patch, whatever, of Princess Leia Organa out of 170. Got the acetate card, Han Solo and Lando Calrissian, and this really cool Emperor sports flick card. But that was definitely the cool card out of here. Nice Boba Fett sketch with Han Solo and Carbonite. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.